Welcome back, people. This is Rando Geek. All right, I want to jump right into this article that I found. It's from Reuters. I'll leave the link for you in the description. But basically, as we can see from the title here, you know what I'm about to say. Amazon is offering shoppers $10 to pick up their own purchases as it targets delivery costs. So, Amazon has a bunch of drop off locations that they can actually pick up their deliveries. You know that there's the Amazon locker boxes that if you purchase products from Amazon, you can have it shipped to a locker and pick it up that way, right? Instead of having it shipped to your home. Well, what Amazon is trying to do now is there's these pickup points that basically they're Amazon pickup points. And basically, what Amazon wants you to do is pick up your own product because, in a simple nutshell, they're trying to save money on shipping costs. We know that shipping is getting expensive. Amazon does have their own shipping service. And they have Amazon Flex, but it's getting expensive. So they continuously keep raising the Amazon Prime price. As you could see, if you're a Prime member, you know you're paying a lot more this year than you were last year. And it's just going to keep going up. So it's a struggle for Amazon to stay competitive. They ship out a lot of products every day. And with everything going on in the markets, it's getting costly. So I guess when they break it down, it's cheaper for them to give you the $10 to pick up your own item if it's $25 or more. Otherwise, I guess it wouldn't be worth it. So you do have to keep in mind it's for $25 or more, and then you will get $10 to pick up your own item. So basically, what the article is telling us here is that Amazon, over the last few days, has emailed an unknown number of Prime subscribers, offering them $10 to retrieve an order of $25 or more at a company pickup point at locations such as Whole Foods, Amazon Fresh, or Kohl's stores. Apparently, they reached out to Amazon. There was no request for comment. Upstate New York-based shipping consultant Dean Macubia was among the customers who received the offer. Increasing use of Amazon pickup points would help the company bypass costly residential package drop-offs and is a huge opportunity for Amazon to reduce cost of delivery. Exactly. So how much more of this are we going to see? I think a lot more. I think, like I said before, cost of shipping is getting too expensive. You know, they already have Amazon Flex. They have to hire drivers. Some of these drivers are getting benefits. Some of these drivers are not getting benefits. Either way, it's an hourly wage, and it's more than what, I guess the way they've calculated it, it's far more than what it would cost for you to pick up your product, being that it's $25 or more. So I don't know how they do all this calculating, but it's interesting to see that if Amazon is going this route, who else is going to do this, right? Walmart, Target, so on and so forth, right? I mean, this is Amazon. Amazon is huge. And if they're having a problem, if they're struggling to keep up with shipping costs, what does that really tell us, right? So how many of you are in favor of this? I'd like to know in the comment section below. Would you be willing to pick up your own item if you got $10 to do it? I think many of you would, especially if there's a Kohl's or something down the block. Why wouldn't you, right? You're basically going to be, it's going to cost you 50 cents or whatever, a dollar to go pick it up, and then you just pocketed $9. So, but it's just very interesting for me to see how they're going this route. Yeah, I mean, these are the times we're living in. What else do we have here? As we know, Amazon last year hiked the price of its annual Prime subscription, right, from shipping benefits from $20 to $139. It also raised the minimum order thresholds for free grocery delivery, encouraged customers to have all of their packages delivered on a designated day of the week, and expanded the speedier same-day parcel service with a fee order of $25, right? So there you have it, basically in a nutshell. That's pretty much the world we're living in now. I'll leave the link for you in the description. Let me know what you guys think about this. My question is, would you gladly accept the $10 to pick up your item, being it's $25 or more, or do you not like this route? Do you want your product delivered to your home, office, or whatever requested location you submit it to. Obviously, for now, that's not, you're going to be able to still do that. You're still going to be able to get that service, but we'll see. We'll see how long this lasts before they start changing terms and conditions or making it so it's a lot more expensive for that convenience. So we'll see. All right, guys, I'll leave the link for you in the description. Like I said before, that's it for this one, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye for now.